In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the best kept secret in the hair extension industry. It's going to teach you how to make more money faster.
Let's face it, the traditional extension methods out there are not always the best. A lot of these installs can be messy, they cause damage to the scalp or natural hair. The techniques are too complicated with steep learning curves. And what's worse is that clients are going to notice the bonds or the tracks on some of these traditional installations. Clients can complain about discomfort, visible bonds, and it's hard to get natural looking results without risking damage to their own natural hair. Invisible bead extensions was specifically created to solve 3 major problems encountered with the different types of hand-tied methods available. Number 1, it prevents damage to the client's hair and scalp from tension, over-direction, and haphazard installs. Number 2, it eliminates discomfort due to the contact of beads on the scalp and the common clamp and crank beading approach. Number 3, it offers styling versatility, which means no more exposed beads, bonds, or braids when wearing your hair up. Invisible bead extensions saves you time by being efficient. You can make more money using this method because we teach stylists how to do the cleanest, most effective hair extension installs in the world. Now let's get into how I create seamless natural installs using the IBE method. I begin by having a thorough consultation with my client to understand her goals for her transformation. I analyze her hairline, her density, her natural texture, and I strategically place my rows to offer the most seamless results. I then move into placing her foundation. Our beadwork at IBE is proprietary, patented, and designed to last. Then I make sure that I stitch her row very clean and securely so there are no crosshairs and it's extremely comfortable. We always custom color and make sure that we cut to blend for the most natural looking results.
All in all, it was very easy to follow, very efficient, set up very well. I would recommend anyone that wanted to do it to start doing it. It was very, not easy, but very, very doable if you set your mind to it.
If you're ready to elevate your installs and offer your clients the best in class, explore IBE certification today.